It's a 1946 Farmall H. I did it for a 4-H project back in 1999. We bought it from a family friend. He used it on his farm. He was just kind of selling it just to actually buy some other things. We got it. The fourth gear was bad in it. We had to refix that. We sandblasted all the sheet metal, repainted it all, and then I took it up for a state fair. We do use it around here on a daily basis, just for pulling on trailers, hay racks. At the local farm show, we do a little exhibition farm plowing with it. We did all of the work here at the home place. We just got a little shop, we worked in it. We fixed it up back in December. We started on it, well actually back in usually like November, we started on it. Worked on it all the way through until March. When we did the painting on it, the humidity wasn't a big factor. Yeah, the paint adhered real well to it then. And then you're indoors for the winter too, you know, so you're not that cold. Dad was always big into the IHs and stuff, and he actually grew up on a farm. And Dad knew that I always liked the little H's. He doesn't quite figure out why, and I don't know why I like him either. So we bought it from him. He actually pulled hay wagons. He actually runs a little hobby farm. So he actually used it to pull around the hay wagons, the baling hay with it. He used it every day, daily basis for actually farming with it. Just for the fact that it's a 4-H project, you know, it's probably one of my favorite ones. So, you know, out of only 6 tractors. So.